Hey everybody, you might hear a lot of dinging because I got the Barbie babes all excited about going on a train ride up by Mount Rainier in September. We're trying to figure out our next excursion. So here we are, Mount Creative, My Creative Time at her new release, Emma, and she did strawberry theme. So Strawberry Blossom is the name of her new pad. And this time on the inside of the cover, she did a print. And she also did that print on the back. So that's pretty cool. So there's one. You get 4 of each. So I need to start playing with all my new stuff. My goodness. And look at this one. Look at you guys. So cute. And if you like My Creative Time, which why wouldn't you? Just saying. But and again, I don't work for her. I just love her products. Anyway, school. She has a school group, SKOOL, and I think it's like $2.99 a month or something. Such a fun group. And the design team's on there, sharing their things. and we each share when we make something. It's just a fun group, so I recommend it. I am so sorry. Got a tickle in my throat. Look at this. I love this. Gingham. And then this, oh, sorry. This is the other side with little strawberries. Look at these. So cute. So there we go. Oops, I think I've mixed up. Oh, yeah. This one's the polka dot. So here's this side. And here's this side. And then the inside of the back. So very cute. And I don't know if this, usually if things run out, she restocks pretty quickly. So Berry Love epoxy stickers, and they kind of have a black fleck to them like a strawberry would. So cute. So I got that, of course, and then I got these little ephemera. Oh, she's coming up with these little girls and stuff, and oh my gosh, so cute. Oh, sorry, it's double bagged, which is good, but I didn't realize that, or I would have pre-opened it. Oh, and then my sons are texting a lot. So you hear a lot of ding, ding. Ooh, that's a terrible thing. Look at that ding, ding. That glare was horrible. Sorry, guys. This is not going together very good. But look at these little girls, and I think you get 4 of each. Oh, my God. Look. They're flat. They're not shiny. Oh, my gosh. Some of them do have some white around them. That doesn't bother, but you could trim them down if that bothers you. But anyway, oh my gosh, these are so cute. Look at her. Oh my god. Oh, look at her sitting with her strawberries. Oh, these are adorable. Oh my gosh, look at a little fairy, and she's got strawberries in her piggy tails. Oh my gosh. So yeah, definitely, if you love strawberry stuff, go to My Creative Time. Just science. Look at her. It looks like my Tori's hair. So that gives you an idea. I'm not going to show you each and every one of them. I'll put those over here. And then she came up with a second ephemera. Oh my gosh, which I love so much. I got 2. And I got 2 of the paper because I tend to hoard it if I don't. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry, guys. Between coughing, dinging, not prepared. Here we go. Yeah, there's a excursion I was watching on YouTube up by Mount Rainier, and I thought, oh, that would be fun for... We call ourselves the Barbie Babes, so there's that. Oh, look at this. Oh, look at that little daisy. Oh my gosh, look at that, like with balloons. So sweet, no pun intended. So yeah, 4 of each. Yeah, it's fun to go on the school site and just share and get ideas. It's so inspiring. Everybody's so positive and nice. It's a nice little community. So if you're wanting something like that, I highly recommend it. We're a nice group of people. Okay. And Emma's just a doll. She is such a sweetheart and so, I mean, the things she comes up with for her releases, I always think, okay, I don't need it. I'm not going to get anything this month, and then up it comes. I'm like, oh, I can't resist. Oh my gosh. So there's that ephemera. Look at the pink. Aren't they pretty? Oh my gosh, butterflies. I'll keep that over there. And then the Saints, picked especially for you, You're the Very Best. Comes with the dies. I gotta be honest, I struggle with that. I know there's tricks to it, but have a very happy birthday. Oh, cute. You're the very best. Believe in your own magic. Oh, I like that. Get well very soon. Thinking of you and smiling, like that. Rooted and ready for better days. Cute. Sending very big hugs your way. So just cute, and then it comes with the matching dies. I love this. She always includes something, one or two things that doesn't have to be, you know, like a tag or something. Look at these arches. Oh my gosh, and they go together. So this is called Chunky Arch Layer Dies. Very cute. And again, oh my, and then look at this basket. So cute. Strawberry basket die. That makes sense. So you can make the little basket, you get the handles, little buttons, and a place to put a sentiment, I believe that's for. And then, sorry, but this is just too cute. This is the strawberry house. So yeah, there was a lot of YouTube the design team did, so put in, you know, search them and see what you find. But I'll warn you, they'll make you want to buy it because they're very creative. This is just so adorable. So you get the outline, the top, a door, the stem, so just a little window. There's the door outline and the base, you know, like the outside. Very, very cute. So I wanted to show that. I'm gonna throw in here really quick. This is what I've come up with. I found these on Pinterest, or was it Pinterest? Pinterest, I think. Anyway, and it was a free digital, and it did the, so rather than cut, did the, all the letters for happy birthday. I can pick out the letters for Vienna. So I just thought this is faster than me cutting out all those details. But I did, I'm going to put them on here, which I did use my Cricut for that. There we go. And then see, won't that be adorable? So I did that. I have to show this really, really quick. Dollar Tree. Winnie the Pooh magnet. Oh my gosh. Okay, you guys. So yeah, check out My Creative Time if you haven't. And have a great day. I will be coming on soon with some projects from all this release. I've been anxiously open tracking. I just like waiting for Christmas every time because she has such great stuff. All right, you guys, I'll leave a link to her store below and talk to you soon. Bye-bye.